Hey folks, what's going on tonight? We're going to be talking about the Peroneus Tertius. It's a little guy that runs down to the pinky toe and the toe right after that. And what you're going to try to do here is just kind of sink in, mobilize a little bit, kind of separate away from the Achilles tendon and away from that tibialis anterior. It is something that kind of feels like you have an ankle weakness, or that your ankle feels like it's locked up. And believe it or not, this little guy matters. So give this a shot, make sure you're in plenty of water, keep on P-knotting, be well, and remember, the issue is with the tissue.